put your industrious little mind towards coming up with copy for Belgian listings.
I don't understand. They want me to write something?
Whatever you said in that brainstorming session apparently knocked their socks off.
Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say.
Well, of course, you cover Mr. Draper's
Not the hiccups. Not the hiccups.
Congratulations. More work and more responsibility.
I guess you'll be entitled to some dinner money.
Well, here's one thing.
You've come to like the hiccups?